Welcome back to Braziere Brits. My name is Ben.
And mine's Jerry.
It's not true at all.
Might be.
It could be. We should change to that. So we're here at the Ben and Jerry's factory, where we're going to do a tour. Now I don't know how interesting this is going to be.
Everyone just told us we had to do it.
Yeah, but we might not be able to take cameras in.
I don't think we are.
Yeah.
So this might be really boring. I have to like clip and then
but it
it's
doesn't
the
matter.
end.
It doesn't matter because after this, we're going somewhere very, very special to me.
That's very true.
By the way, we're in Vermont. This is where the factory is. So let's roll the intro and then we'll see you in there. Or we might not if they don't allow cameras. We'll find out.
Really makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Most amazing thing though. I can't believe that all of the ice cream that Ben and Jerry make are all from these cows right here.
These poor 3 cows. Ah! Jesus.
You had a mosquito.
You're right. Okay, I've heard that one before.
What's the smell now?
Ice creamy. This is so embarrassing. Can't believe you're measuring me in pints. You're short ass too. 17 and a half pints.
I didn't see what you were. Wait, I'm not on my tiptoes.
This is a broccoli ice cream with kidney bean chunks and our very own Cabot Creamery's cheddar cheese swirl. Doesn't sound good.
Look at this little cute table. Oh, it's dirty. I'm not going to sit there. Gross.
What is this? Butterscotch?
Yes. Just wanted butter shots. It's good. It's good. Oh. Yours is nice. You got the Tonight Dough, the Jimmy Fallon special.
I got the Jimmy Fallon Tonight Dough special, which is their 5th most popular. I think their first most popular is the
cookie dough.
No,
it was the other
brownie or something.
Oh, I can't remember. Already forgotten.
Yeah, it's on my phone. I can't remember the other ones, but yeah, like cookie dough, stuff like that. So I got this. How much was this?
$9.
$9. This is a small. I don't even like ice cream. I mean, I like soft serve, but I don't like it. It's too cold. But
Yeah.
I did pay extra for the waffle cone.
You did.
What did you go for? You went for a special one.
I went for the maple walnut. That's a new one that they're trying.
That we can only get here.
Yes.
Have you tried it yet?
No. It's full of cream.
Oh, is it?
So you might have to come back to me.
Okay, we'll come back. All right, whilst we're waiting for Natalie to get to the bottom of hers, the tour was about $13 for 2 of us, I think. So it's very cheap. They take you all the way through the factory. So there's actually 10 different parts of the factory, which I'll run through really quick. So this was built in 1986. I'm not going to give you all the facts because you have to come and do the tour yourself. But first one is they create the base mix. You get to see all of this in the factory. They're actually working and doing it whilst we're there, which is really cool. So you make the base mix. Then just off the top of my head, stage 2 is the production prep, where they homogenize and pasteurize, which basically means they heat it just to below freezing. Then step 3 is the flavour vats, where they make the base flavour for the ice cream, whatever they're making that day, which is interesting because they make about one flavour every few days. So they'll do it for 2 or 3 days and then they clean everything out and then they'll do a new flavour. And then just off the top of my head, number 4 is the freezers, where they freeze it to 22 Fahrenheit, which I'm guessing is what, -10, something like that, -5, something like that. And they add air to make it a little bit fluffier. Then number 5 is they add in the chunks for whatever flavour they're using. So today's flavour was the Tonight Show, which is what I'm eating in a moment. I'm just letting it warm up a bit. I know, I'm weird. So that's where they add all the different chunks in. Then number 6 is they, just off the top of my head, is a swirl pump only for the Tonight Dough. That's the only flavour they use it for here. And then filling and packaging, which is really cool. They have an automated machine. Didn't get any of this on film. Not allowed to film.
Yeah.
And then it's a spiral hardener where it goes up. It takes about 90 minutes to cool the boxes to -50. No, it's more than that. Anyway, really, really cold. It takes 90 minutes. It goes up this huge tower, going round and round. And then number 9, step 9 is, just off the top of my head, is banned and bundled for shipping. So that's basically where they just all pack it. And then number 10 is they put it on pallets for distribution. So anyway, here they only make 5 flavours. We got to try. What did we try?
It was like cookie dough going in, and then at the end was butterscotch.
Oh, butterscotch. Okay,
that's a top
so
secret though, we're
yeah.
not tell anyone.
Oh, aren't we?
No, don't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone. But we tried the butterscotch one. That's a special flavour.
That was nice.
Anyway, any more interesting facts that you can think of? What does that mean? Okay, right. So we're gonna. Oh, how is yours, by the way? Very, very mapley.
I've tried the butterscotch.
Really? Oh, okay. Okay. My one, I've had a little bit of it. I'm trying to let it melt a bit first, but it's very chocolatey. Maybe too chocolatey for me. All right, we're walking up to the flavour graveyard. Very popular, apparently. This is where all the flavours go to die when people stop buying them.
Yeah.
So, I did enjoy my ice cream. Quick tip: only get a small. I didn't eat it on camera because I didn't want to turn all you ladies completely wild watching me eat that. So, anyway, one interesting thing that was really cool on the tour, probably my favourite part, there was a little video at the beginning as well, which is interesting, just really short. The best part was at the end, when they built this in 1986, Ben and Jerry had their own office where they would create the flavours.
The flavour room.
So they were responsible for creating the flavours, and then everyone else just made it to, you know, in bulk. And so that was cool. You actually, the flavour room that we got a little sample in was actually their own personal room.
And did you listen to why he puts chunks of ice cream of things in his ice cream?
Yeah, I can't remember. Who was it? Ben or Jerry?
I think it was Ben.
I think it was Ben. He had really bad sense of smell and taste, so he had to make it really, really flavourful. So instead of just like mixing it all into one flavour, he put chunks in.
And did you listen to why they became friends in the first place?
Because they were both crap at sports at school.
Britannia, strawberries and shortbread.
How long did it last? 89 to 90.
1 year.
Great, thanks. 1 year. Thanks, guys. There's some really Boston cream pie.
That sounds amazing.
2010 to 2016. There's some really cool flavours I'd love to try here.
Yeah. But they say they bring them back every now and again for like a feature.
They do, every now and then they'll do it. Yeah.
Something, week, couple of days, can't remember.
Yeah.
So we'll have to keep an eye out now. Never really looked at these before.
Cake batter. Ooh. Another interesting fact.
Yes.
It's a harvest toast, so you can stay here. We haven't checked, but apparently someone to be determined said it was a harvest toast. They didn't stay here, but they only found out when they got here.
That's dangerous. You would definitely be spending more than you would at a campground.
Oh god, yeah. Oh. Right, so bad news, guys.
We're not going somewhere more fun after this.
We're not going somewhere for more fun because it is dark now. So, so we're going to end it here. Short video this week, but we will be back next week because we are still planning to go to where we were going to go.
Yes, just doing it tomorrow now instead.
Yeah, or the next day or the next day. But anyway, we will definitely bring you that next week, and like I said, very special to my heart. But anyway, so thank you for watching. We're going to put a video up here that we think you will enjoy. Don't forget to hit the thanks button. Don't forget, because Natalie loves that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share this with all of your friends if they like ice cream. Or even if they don't, share it anyway. Maybe they will become to like ice cream. And then I can't remember what else. And then there's something. Oh, and if you'd like to hit the join button, you can become a Braziere to support a couple of tits, Natalie and myself. That's definitely it, right?
Yeah, no more smacking me in the head.
I literally saved you. You could have got, like, what is the disease that they carry?
Lyme.
No, that's ticks.
Oh.
All right, we're just rambling now. Okay. All right, we'll see you next week.
Bye. The virus is what I was thinking of.
It's malaria. I saved you from malaria.
I can't believe you had to Google that.
I know, but say thank you.
Other platforms are available. Sorry, thank you. No, I'm not thanking you.